If you want to make your TikTok video look more dramatic or fun, the slow-mo effect is the perfect touch. It's simple to apply directly from the TikTok app, so let's walk through the steps. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on the plus button at the bottom to start a new video. Here, you can either record a video directly or upload one from your gallery. After recording or selecting your video, tap the check mark to move to the editing screen. Now here, tap on the sparkling icon and then swipe through the effects bar, and after that tap on time. Now from here, select slow-mo and drag the handles to choose the part of your video you want to slow down. When you're done, tap on save to apply the effect, and that's all. You've just added the slow motion effect to your TikTok video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.